Welcome to WinClass. Today, I am going to walk you through your student portal. After you log in, you will see a central dashboard in your student portal, which contains everything you need to manage your schedule and learning plan. On the left, you will see, from top to bottom, the dashboard, book class, my timetables, my subjects, my tutors, class history, library, refer a friend, and account setting icons. On the right, you will see the status of your online classes. Upcoming other classes that you have already scheduled, but which have not taken place yet. Completed is the record indicating the number of classes you have completed. Missed are the classes that you have booked but did not attend, while cancelled is the class that you have decided not to take and cancelled at 48 hours or more before the class starts. In this case, you will not be charged. So please remember to cancel your classes as early as possible if other activities arise. Beneath the class record are your upcoming classes, which ensure that you can see your schedule at a glance. The first listed class is the most recent one. Within 15 minutes till the class begins, the Enter Classroom button will become clickable. By clicking it, you will seamlessly enter your space. Without having to navigate multiple links, it can't be easier to step into your classroom. This is the introduction of your student dashboard. It is the main page of your portal. In this friendly central setting, you will be able to manage your study programs with ease. I will show you more information about how to use the student portal in other videos. You can also visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you next time.